Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, I wanted to talk about the Sterling Park Road Bond that's supposed to be up for election here in November. And I had some questions regarding the $11 million bond that's supposed to be paid out uh, by the Sterling Park residents over a span of 25 years. And I'm just kind of concerned because that's going to spike the property taxes for each and every resident at Sterling Park, and they're not going to see any return on their investment for quite some time. And we're talking about a 10-year period or 25-year period, $11 million paid out over 25 years. We're that's I just kind of question how that's going to work. When we sell the property there, is there going to be a lien on the property for the new owners to have to take over and pay? These land taxes aren't paid by everybody in the county, but yet we're asking the county or the residents in that subdivision are asking the county for help to get the roads repaired and built. The reason why this is near and dear to me is because I was managing Sterling Park for some time. I knew the owner, known him for about 9, 10 years, and come to find out after he hired me to locate where these funds were going and where there was missing funds, I ended up finding out that he was perpetuating a fraud on the people, charging them $95 a month for an HOA that did not exist. So my next steps were to alert the people. I ended up losing my job. I don't work for him anymore, but I ended up alerting the people, letting them know that these $95 a month was contract breach of contract. I went and let the lawyer know, Evan Warner. He also knows. I shut him down. I also called Note Servicing Center and had them discontinue the $95 payment. And I think we can take care of these roads in-house, honestly, for much cheaper and for much quicker than if we were to ask the county government to do it for us. Because I think what we're doing there is we're kind of sort of giving up and letting the county take over, and then the county does whatever it wants, and what it's doing is it's jumping up and down at the side of new taxes coming in, but we're not going to see a return on that investment for quite some time.
Why do you think, but maybe you don't understand how this deal works?
Well, okay, I don't, and that's why I'm here and I'm asking, because if we sell a property, there are the new owners going to be. Is there going to be a lien on the property? How does that work? Nobody's explained this to us. All we're being told is Sterling Park on the news. Sterling Park is voting to raise taxes on themselves, which I think is kind of ridiculous.
Time.
Yep, I'll get you next time.
All right, next up we have Larry Roberts.